What's up, YouTube, and what's up, my fellow model junkies? This is JK from Burn the Night, and we're coming at you today with a little triple shot. We've got on the deck today, we have a couple of different kits and a couple of small dioramas. First up, we have No Soldier Left Behind, 1/35th scale by MasterBox. Awesome box art as usual. Then we've got this really cool MiniArt construction set from their building accessory series. And then over here we have the 1/35th scale U.S. Horseman, Normandy, 1944. So let's get to our first small diorama, and what we have here is we have our horseman. And what I did with the horseman is I made this guy right here, this beautiful pony, into an American hero. A real horse, by the way, by the name of Reckless. Reckless was a U.S. military horse that was bought during the Korean War at a Korean racehorse for $350. And Reckless served in the military from 1946 to 1954 and was an American hero. Was awarded the Purple Heart. This little horse saved 3 Marines from being killed at the front line. Was wounded twice in her service to the country and retired at Camp Pendleton in San Diego, California, where there is a statue of her erected. Reckless was an American hero. Later promoted to Sergeant Reckless of the 101 Division. And this kit was really cool. Went together really well. Little tiny bit of flash. The guys sit great on their horses. And it was a really cool kit. A lot of fun to build. So let's move on to our next diorama, which consists of parts of the construction mini set and No Soldier Left Behind. Now this small diorama is set back in the year 2003, Iraq. This is our patrol team. They're on their morning patrol through the area, and they come across this abandoned construction site. So they're checking it out. Right there on the left we have infantrymen. Now the construction kit from MiniArt is really cool. It comes with all kinds of goodies that you can use. Brick pallets, loose bricks, saws, hammers, boxes, cans, just all kinds of fun stuff. And I didn't even use half of the kit for this small diorama. So it's really cool. And the brick pallets, I don't know if you can see it, but they're crooked on purpose. They went together that way to make them look more realistic. Sweet. So as usual, you know I use Valero paints, Magic Touch brushes. Always have a sharp X-Acto knife, a little bit of light sandpaper, and just be creative with your stuff, you know. Sometimes I'll start a diorama and I'll be stuck on it because I won't have the creative flow, I guess you would say, to finish it up. But then some dioramas just come to you right off the bat. So this is JK from Burn the Night, letting you know that I get all my stuff from plasticmodelstore.com. They are a Ukraine company. They have the best selection on the web, great prices, fast shipping. Go to the website, become a member. You get discounts, you get all kinds of cool little perks for being a member, and with each delivery, you actually get some free candy, and it's really good. And deliveries over $150, you get free shipping in the United States. So check them out, plasticmodelstore.com. And thanks for watching the video, you guys. This is JK from Burn the Night, saying stay creative. Don't let this world get you down. And we are going to have a great new year in 2022. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll check you out next time. Thanks for watching.